What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this quick video I will show you how you can enable badges on YouTube. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So YouTube recently implemented a new feature called badges, which you can earn through just frequently using the app. So to enable badges, simply first open up your YouTube app and go on your profile right here, the tab that says You with your icon above it. Once you're here, go over to your settings right here in the upper right corner. Now in the settings, go to General Settings, the first option, and here just simply scroll down to the bottom. On the bottom you will see the last option that says Earn Badges, and you have this little turn off and turn on option right here. So if this is gray to you, that means that it's off and that you won't be earning badges. So to earn badges, just simply flick it on so it turns blue. That means that from now on you will be earning badges on YouTube. So that's how you can earn badges on YouTube. If you would like to know more about YouTube badges, you can watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.